It's Amy, so I want to tell you about a freebie at the Dollar Tree. So there's several freebies at the Dollar Tree right now. I use the Vivado app, and you can use that as well. It's a free app for your phone. Just download it. It's super easy to use and maneuver. I highly suggest you guys get it. So if you are a couponer and you want to get low out of pocket or free items, download that app. Also, with the Vivado app, you can put in any item at the top search bar, and it will tell you if it's on sale anywhere and if it has a coupon to match up, which that's probably the best feature for me. But if you're looking to get this item for free, you're going to use the insert coupon that looks like this. It's $1.50 off from the 10-2 Smart Source. Now this is off 7.5 fluid ounces or larger, and as you can see, perfect, 7.5 fluid ounces. So I was able to get 4. The coupon had no restriction, only 1 per item per purchase, but it had no restriction as how many. But Dollar Tree's coupon policy is 4 light coupons per day per household, which is why I purchased 4. So guys, I highly suggest you check out that app. If you have any questions about it, just leave them in the comment section below. But you can get, right now they have 30 items that you can get for free on that Vivado app at the Dollar Tree. It's all just going to vary by the store that you have, like what they carry, and it's going to depend on if you have the coupons. Some of the coupons are printable and some of them are insert coupons. I happen to not print. I use insert coupons, but if you print, you can get a ton of things for free at the Dollar Tree. So if you haven't subscribed already, please do so. Give a big thumbs up if you like free items, and comment below and just let me know you're here. Thanks everybody. Have a great day.